Hey everyone, Merry Christmas! And I'm here to present one of my family traditions, English toffee that my mom makes, because this is my mom, Kathleen.
Hi.
So Mom, where did this recipe come from?
It came from my friend in Norman, Oklahoma, Dale Cobb. She'd had it in her family for a long time, and she'd been making it for years before I met her 43 years ago. So I went to her house and watched her make this, and I've been making it ever since.
All right, what do we need?
We need 1.5 sticks of butter, 1 cup of sugar, 3/4 of a cup of slivered blanched almonds, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 cup of chopped pecans, and they're toasted for 8 minutes at 325 degrees. That's for the topping at the last. 12 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate chips, a wooden spoon, and you need to butter a jelly roll pan 10 by 15 beforehand and have it ready.
Okay, let's get going. All right, so you're buttering the jelly roll pan first.
Yes, you need to butter it first because at the end, when the candy is ready, you have to pour it fast into this pan and you're not going to have time to do it then. I use a paper towel to keep it from being so messy. You'll need a medium saucepan, and you'll put your ingredients in cold all at the same time.
So it kind of starts off chunky like that?
Starts out chunky. I have written on the original recipe, do not double this recipe. I'm not sure why my friend Dale had me write that down, but I don't double it because she said not to.
One thing I do know about this recipe is that it's all timing. Like Mom has told me, she doesn't use a candy thermometer. She's tried it and it's not the same, right Mom?
I just couldn't get it to work that way.
It's all timing and color. And so I'm timing it on my phone. Right now we're at just past the 4-minute mark. And you just have to keep stirring constantly. Right, Mom?
Yes. Don't step away. You have to be willing to just stand and be patient and stir.
Okay.
Close.
All
This
right,
is
here we
the
go.
hard part. I just say, okay, not yet.
And we are at officially 10 minutes.
Yeah. Close, not yet. Okay, now we're getting close. This is what I call a medium caramel color. Now I'm going to pour really fast, and it's going to harden very fast, and I'm going to move my spoon fast. And I think that looks pretty good, don't you, Trav?
I do.
Okay. Let's do it. That even continues to cook, but you take your spoon and you just move it as thin as you can. It hardens very, very fast, and you want to pull it to the edges so that your candy is thin. Easier said than done sometimes. As it starts to harden, it's harder to fill in. I think that looks pretty good, don't you?
I do.
Okay. Next step is on this candy, we're going to put chocolate chips. just going to use my fingers, just sprinkling. That's it. We're going to let this melt. Takes 2 or 3 minutes for this chocolate to get soft, and then we're going to spread it. You need to cool this on the countertop for 2 hours, and then you can take a spatula or something and get under it and break it into pieces. And I like to put it in Christmas tins, give it away. Between layers, put wax paper or parchment paper, and store it in the refrigerator.
It won't last long. Trust me.
It doesn't. It's so good.
Mom, when you make it, you always said it was 6 or 7 minutes.
I never timed it.
I know. Today's official count was 11:04:89. So it's 6 or 7 or 11 minutes.
Yeah.
But no thermometer.
No. All by sight.
And you said if it gets too dark.
It tastes burnt. Don't want
Yeah.
it to get too dark.
Right. So we get to that tan color. That's it.
That's it. And if you take it off too soon, the candy's grainy.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is a hard crack stage, whatever that is on the candy thermometer.
Okay.
So,
All right.
okay.
By the way, you think the cleanup is going to be a beast because it's, candy and it gets everywhere, but all you do really is just put water. Just water in the pan, and then it'll just dissolve. That's it. So it's not bad. Okay, it's been a couple hours. So what do we do now?
Well, we try to get it out of the pan. Sometimes it's a little more difficult than others, and sometimes it just pops right out. You never know.
Okay, so using a knife.
Yep. And then I'm using just a pie serber,
Okay.
just something to scrape underneath.
And we're going to put it in tins to
Yes, I have.
take to people, and
Take to people.
then we're going to eat some, of course.
Yeah.
All right.
Shall I do it?
Yeah. It's so good. All right.
It's good.
It's so good.
It's so good.
No, thank you, Mama.
You're welcome.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas. God bless you.
And make the toffee.